Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a great video in store for you today. We're going to be deep diving into the holy grail of passive income side hustles for creatives. I'm talking about stickers. But hear me out. I'm talking about stickers created with the power of AI art, using the magic of Printify on demand, and conquering the Etsy marketplace like a boss. With this method, it is possible to make $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month in part-time passive income. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ray, where's the proof? So I took the liberty of gathering a few samples ahead of time that I'm going to show you right now. All right, so first, let's get into a few facts about Etsy. In 2022, Etsy generated a revenue of $2.5 billion. That's a 10.1% increase year over year. In 2022, Etsy got 373 million visits in April, 385 million visits in May, and 377 million visits in June. And if you look at the list of the 15 best items to sell on Etsy, stickers is right at the top. Check out this store that has over 77,000 sales selling stickers like these. Or this store that has almost 28,000 sales selling stickers like these. They're just two out of hundreds of stores that have made a killing selling stickers. You might be wondering, how exactly did they do it? Well, the secret is in their designs. These store owners have found a niche and created designs that appeal to a specific audience. Whether it's cute animals, witty quotes, trendy patterns, they found a way to stand out from the crowd and attract buyers. And the best part, Midjourney does all the work for you. You can create these designs in minutes without ever leaving the comfort of your living room. By the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to create stunning designs and turn them into physical products that you can sell on Etsy. So let's get into it. So I always try to start off with the /settings prompt. This is your control panel, where you can adjust the style, the quality, the version of Midjourney that you're going to be using for that session. So we're going to start off today with a Seahorse sticker. So I used the prompt sticker, watercolor painting style, Seahorse, bright colors, lifelike, -- no background. And I didn't totally hate it, but I wasn't in love with it. So I asked it to re-roll several times and just use the same prompt and come up with a few different options for me. And we finally came up with this one. This was the top pick here. I think this is definitely going to be a sticker that I create for my store. Next, I saw quite a few Mandala stickers. So I used the prompt sticker, Mandala, colorful, bright, detailed, -- no background. This was the top pick. I didn't have to re-roll many times for this, so I think I'll definitely also be adding this to my store. I also tried to do a pineapple with the face and some sunglasses. Sticker, cartoon, pineapple, character, funny face, wearing dark sunglasses, gold color, punk, -- no background. So this is what we came up with here. I had to re-roll a few times for this, but I think it'll be a nice sticker, a nice addition to the store. And lastly, I wanted to do the same thing, but with an avocado. And I saw quite a few avocados with faces and personalities. So I used the prompt sticker, cartoon avocado, cut in half, wearing sunglasses, shades of green, no background. They came up with a couple of great options. Right off the bat, I like number one here. I did ask Midjourney to re-roll the same prompt. I got one here that I thought may work, but I still think I liked the number one option, so that is going to be my top pick. So I'm going to go ahead and upscale that in Midjourney. So I finally found an image that I like, but we're still not done. So if we're using an image for screen, it only needs to be 72 dots per inch. If we're going to be using it for print, which is what we're doing here, it needs to be at least 300 dots per inch in order to, look sharp, have the detail that we're looking for. So I'm going to bring it on over to an AI image enlarger, and this is IMG Larger.com. So this software, even with a free account, will give me back an image that's 4 times bigger than the one that I uploaded. Just select your image, you come on over to the drop down, you click 4X, and then you click start. And once it's ready, you can click download and you have your image. Okay, so the last thing with the image we need to do is remove the background. Now, there's several different options that you can use. I'm a big Photoshop guy, but if you don't have a membership to Photoshop, you can always use Photopea, which is a free option. Now, another option is Shutterstock.com. If you come over to this tab, Creative Flow, and then Create Editor, you can start a canvas here and upload your image. There is a button right here that says Remove Background. It will do it automatically for you. Now, right now they're doing a promotion where you get 30 days for free. It might be a good option for the people who don't know Photoshop or Photopea. This is an easy way to kind of upload an image, get your background taken out. If this is something that you plan on doing, it might be worth the investment. So now we have created our image, we've upscaled our image, we have removed the background to our image. Now we're ready to start our Etsy store. So if you head on over to Etsy.com, okay, so first we need to sign in, create an account. Next, we're going to go over to the account icon and click Sell on Etsy. Come to a page like this, and we can open your Etsy shop. Let's do this. So what brings you to Etsy? I'm just here starting to sell for the first time ever. Is there anything you'd like us to help you with? If you want detailed explanations, but we are going to skip that for now. And we're going to name our shop. So next on the list is to create a listing. Now we can't create a listing yet because we haven't started our Printify store. So we're gonna head on over to Printify.com, go ahead and create an account, what describes you best. I have my own e-commerce store. What's your main objective? Start my first online business. If you need a little extra help, you can click on one of these, but we are gonna skip that. We're gonna head on over to design your first product. So now we have to connect our store. So if you click connect, you can come over here and choose. So we're using Etsy. So we're going to come to this page and let it have access to our store so that everything integrates. It really is a seamless process for your products that you create in Printify to show up in your Etsy store. Now they do more than stickers. Any kind of print-on-demand product that you can think of, Printify has it. So if we do a search for stickers, you can see that there are quite a few different options. You've got round stickers, square stickers, vinyl cut stickers, vinyl stickers, die cut stickers, sticker sheets. You'll notice that there's a 20% discount if you do sign up for Printify Premium. If this is something that you plan on doing and you plan on doing a lot, it's definitely worth it to get the 20% off. So it's $29 per month and you get 20% off of your stickers. So if this is something that you plan on doing, it might be worth it to shell out the $29 a month for the premium plan. So we're looking for the Kiss Cut sticker here, and it's one of the most popular options. It takes the shape of the image. So we can come up here and upload the image. If you turn it diagonal, you can use more of the surface area and make your image a little bit larger. So you can do a 2, a 3, a 4, or a 6-inch sticker. Once you're happy with it, it's going to bring you to the mock-up page. So this is the image that people are going to see when they scroll past your store. All right, so next we got to do the product description. It automatically comes with a generic Kiss Cut sticker product description, but we definitely need to spice it up. So we're going to head on over to ChatGPT. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that it is a successful Etsy store owner. And I'm going to ask it to write a description for a sticker with a fun avocado character on it named Alistair Avocado. And as you can see, it's instant. It instantly prints up, a fun, cool, creative product description. Now you're going to need to adjust some of it and make it your own, but this is a great start. And it happened in 20 seconds. This is something that would have taken some time and energy a year ago. So we can just copy it, and we can just add it right to our Printify product description. We're going to go ahead and name this one Alistair Avocado. Now I noticed that ChatGPT added waterproof to this sticker description. We are not using a waterproof sticker, so I want to take that out. So when we come to pricing, you can see what the cost is, what the profit margin is, suggested retail price would be. So we're going to do a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and a 6x6 sticker. I'm going to go ahead and add it. And now we go to publish. And we're gonna sync it with our Etsy store. And that's it, we have our first product on Printify. So now we can go back to Etsy and create our first listing. So we're basically, because it's our first one, okay, we're gonna have to basically copy everything from the Printify over to our Etsy store so that we can get through the steps of starting the store. So we're gonna go to add the title, add the category, stickers, copy and paste the description in here. Come down to our product tags. Again, we want to put anything that you can think of that might relate to this product, because when people go ahead and search for sticker, fun sticker, laptop sticker, water bottle sticker, avocado sticker, this is how they find your product. So you want to put as many of these in as you can think of. Scrapbooking, unique gift ideas. And if you can't think of any, you can go right back over to ChatGPT and you can ask it to create tags for the sticker. So we can come right back over to the same chat and we can say, write me Etsy tags so my avocado sticker will show up in a search. You can see we've got a few of these already, but there are a couple that I didn't think of that we can go ahead and copy and paste. This whimsical sticker. We can use the plant lover gift, stationery accessory. Add our variations here. We're going to do a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and a 6x6. This is going to bring up our pricing table. What we want to do is go back to the Printify and add the pricing, the suggested retail value to this chart. The shipping's taken care of by Printify. So you can see, you want to click on the one that has one active listing. This is the shipping profile. You can change your name here. The processing time is 5 to 7 days on the Printify website, so that's what we're going to use. And there we go. We have our first listing, guys. So now we can head back over to our Etsy store. You'll notice that when we go to our product, it says, sorry, this item is unavailable. And that is because we haven't set up the payment part of it, right? So we got to go ahead and connect our bank account here so that Etsy can pay you. And then we need to add a credit card so that you can pay Etsy. So the listings are fairly cheap. I think for the first listing, it's like 20 cents. So I would definitely set up the two-factor authentication here, just to kind of keep it extra safe. So that's it. Here's our store, guys. So now we want to make it our own, right? You can add a story headline. We can add a profile picture. We can make it look like a store, with an owner who cares. This is our first listing, guys, right? Here is the description, cost, there's the mock-up photo that we chose. So just like everything else, guys, it's all about the work you put in. So the idea now is to add more and more listings over time, make your store look bigger. As people start buying your products, they're going to start adding reviews and you become a trusted seller on Etsy. With a little bit of help from social media and a little bit of marketing yourself, it really is a snowball effect. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to keep creating and sharing our knowledge. So, before wrapping this video up, I have a small request for you. If you found this video valuable, consider giving it a like, subscribe to the channel, and then hit that bell notification. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with all of our latest videos and support us in continuing to create valuable content to bring to you guys. Check out some of our other videos if you're into learning easy ways to make extra cash. We'll see you next time.